Off Bed and Breakfast in Bennington has been offering stays at the historic house since 2010. After over a decade in business, owners Gordon and Linda Mueller say 2020 has definitely presented its challenges.
He calls and wants a room. What we do is we make the reservation and then we black out the day before and the day after. So instead of getting revenue from 3 days, possibly, you get revenue from one.
The family home has been converted to have 2 rooms in the main house and a large suite in the barn. And though they've had to space out guests, the couple says the guests are staying longer. Healthcare workers seeking refuge for a few days, children wanting to be near their elderly parents, and those just looking to avoid any crowds. With no mortgage, some pensions bringing in a bit of money, and only the 2 of them managing the B&B, the Muellers have been able to make ends meet, even after closing for about 3 months earlier this year. According to the American Hotel and Lodging Association, low cost and little staff have helped out a lot of the smaller hotels this year.
One, because most are limited service where they don't have a large number of employees to begin with. Second, the cost of real estate in those areas is not going to be nearly what it is in an urban center, so your mortgage or your debt is going to be much lower.
Still, going into the new year, the Muellers feel a bit of uncertainty of whether or not the business will be back to normal.
People out there that are anticipating that, hey, we're going to get back to normal, but I think by large, most people are just still waiting to see when are we getting vaccinated, when are the caseloads in the hospital going to lessen.
They are thankful that the beds have stayed full, but they do miss connecting with their guests around the breakfast table.
It's something, we offer something in that breakfast that you don't get at a hotel or motel. How often do you sit down with strangers and actually visit over a meal?
Reporting in Bennington, Jessica Edson, 3 News Now.